OppLoans offers a straightforward online lending solution for people who need quick access to cash and may not have perfect credit. From the start, the process is entirely online and meant to be as smooth as possible. As soon as someone fills out a quick application, often a lending decision is made within minutes. They don't just look at your credit score, so if banks have turned down an application before, OppLoans might take a broader look and still approve it. If approved and everything is wrapped up before midday Central Time, it's possible to get funds in your bank account as soon as the same business day, though sometimes it's the next business day, depending on your bank. With OppLoans, there are no hidden fees, no origination fees, no late or prepayment fees. This means borrowers can pay off the loan at any time with no penalty, or even make extra payments along the way to save on interest. Every payment is reported to all three major credit bureaus, so on-time payments help build your credit history. The loans offered range from $500 to $5,000 with repayment terms of 9, 12, or 18 months. So there's some flexibility depending on your needs and how quickly you want to pay the loan back. Another notable plus is that OppLoans tailors the repayment schedule around when the borrower is paid, whether that's from a job or steady benefits like Social Security or disability. That setup can relieve a lot of the stress of worrying about missed due dates or mismatched timing with direct deposits, and applying doesn't affect your FICO credit score since no hard inquiry is performed as part of the application, something that gives peace of mind to those protective of their credit profile. But while there's a lot to like about the convenience and accessibility of OppLoans, it's important not to overlook the cost. The APR can range from 160% to 195%, which, while lower than a typical payday loan, is still extremely high compared to more traditional options like credit unions or even many credit cards. With rates this steep, the interest on a loan can end up being more than half of the amount borrowed, so it's not a cheap option for long-term borrowing. Even though there are no extra fees sneaking up on you, the high interest alone means paying these loans back as fast as possible is the way to save money. In summary, OppLoans makes borrowing money fast and simple for those in a financial bind, especially people overlooked by traditional lenders. There's clear communication, no surprise fees, and flexibility in both amounts and terms. Payments are reported to credit bureaus, giving borrowers a path to build better credit. However, the high APR is a serious factor to consider, and anyone thinking about taking out an OppLoans loan should weigh whether the speed and accessibility outweigh the total cost of borrowing. If used wisely, ideally just for emergencies and paid back quickly, it can be a helpful tool, but the high rates mean it's not the best long-term solution for ongoing financial challenges.